drug, medicine, remedy. Three magical words from homeopathic pharmacy. These three words are having similar meaning, but in homeopathy, the exact meaning, the exact difference between these three words is clearly mentioned. In our regular language, the term drug, medicine, and remedy has the same meaning, but in homeopathy, a clear direction is made between them. The drug, they have the inherent power to alter the state of health. The medicine is a proved drug, and remedy, it is the indicated medicine given to the sick according to the individual symptom similarity. Hello dear students, welcome you all in the world of homeopathic pharmacy. My name is Dr. Bhakti Histi and today's topic is drug, medicine and remedy. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं कि जो पढ़ते कम हैं और डरते ज़्यादा हैं होम्योपैथिक फार्मेसी सब्जेक्ट से। वैसे ये सब्जेक्ट अगर आप रेगुलरली पढ़ते हो, अगर इसको आप रेगुलरली लेक्चर्स इसके सुनते हो तो ये बहुत आसान सब्जेक्ट है। ठीक है, नाउ द एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ ड्रग, मेडिसिन, रेमेडी, अ सिंपल थिंग। आप अगर एलोवेरा लेते हो, उसका अगर आप जूस बनाते हो, जूस से आप मदर टिंचर बनाते हो, तो अप टू द स्टेज ऑफ मदर टिंचर हम उसे ड्रग कहते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें जो पावर होते हैं मेडिसिन के वो इनहेरेंट होते हैं, हिडन होते हैं, छुपे हुए होते हैं। ओके, when you potentize this juice of aloe vera and you prepare the centesimal scale, decimal scale, then we call this as a medicine. Okay, and if you are prescribing this allosocotrinum to a specific patient, that time we call this medicine as a remedy. Okay, एलोवेरा का जूस है, एलोवेरा का मदर टिंचर है, वो हो जाता है ड्रग। जब आप उसको पोटेंटाइज करते हो, उससे सेंटिसिमल स्केल, डेसिमल स्केल बनाते हो, वो हो जाता है आपका मेडिसिन। और जब आप ये मेडिसिन है किसी पेशेंट को प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, तब वो हो जाता है रेमेडी। दिस इज़ द सिंपल कंसेप्ट behind these three words. Okay, but when it asks for the examination, you have to write it in detail. Okay, so in this lecture I am going to explain you about the drug, medicine, remedy, the difference between drug and the lower potency. Okay, all such points I am going to explain you in this lecture. First thing, thank you very much for supporting my channel as I completed my 100 subscriber. Please stay with me on this channel and I am feeling very happy to share my lectures. So let's start the lecture. Drug. In the aphorism 19 to 23 and in aphorism 105 to 116, the definition, type, character of drug, impurities of drug, crude drug, difference between crude drug and low potencies are mentioned. These aphorisms are very important. Okay, each and everything about the drug is mentioned in these aphorisms. Now about the definition. The word drug is derived from the French word drogue, meaning a dry herb. Its definition: drug is a therapeutic agent prepared pharmaceutically from the standardized drug substances according to the rules and regulation of pharmacopoeia, which is sufficiently capable of affecting the sensation and function, even the structural changes, and maybe even cause of death if continued for a sufficient time and dose. See student, in every lecture I mention this particular thing, that you have to write the definition in exact words. Okay, you have to try to write it as it is. Okay, so this is about the definition of the drug. Now the types of drug. See, mother tincture, mother solution and mother substance. These three are different types of drug. Now we all know that mother tincture, it is the drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substance of vegetable and animal kingdom using strong alcohol as a vehicle by the process of immersion, maceration and percolation. Next thing about the mother solution, it is the drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substance of mineral and chemical sources. And the same way about the mother substance, it is the drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substance of any source which is insoluble in liquid vehicle. So we have to use the solid vehicle sugar of milk while preparing the mother substance, and we used the process of trituration to prepare the mother substance. So all these three are the types of the drug: mother tincture, which we prepared from the animal and plant; the mother solution, which we prepared from the mineral chemical kingdom; and the mother substances, which we prepared with the help of the trituration. Different character of the drug. See, character of drug, it contains so many things, like the taste of the drug, the smell of the drug, the shape, color, the exact weight of that drug. So the knowledge of physical character of each drug is acquired by comparison of the description of the particular drug with its actual specimen, when particular care should be taken about its characteristics. Don't use the species which is at the lower side, or don't use the species of that plant which is not yet proved. Okay, so the character of drug is very important to identify the proper drug. You should know about the exact drug, their characteristics, their color, their smell, their taste, everything. About the impurities of the drug. Now, impurities of the drug: the imperfect selection, imperfect preservation, imperfect preparation, and adulteration. Adulterations, all these four are the impurities of the drug. Now, what you mean by the imperfect selection? When we fail to distinguish from allied species, hence the substitution of an inferior or allied article for the genuine one. If you are not getting that particular drug substance, then you thought for the other species or other specimen. So this is called as the imperfect selection. The imperfect preservation: the way you are preserving that drug substance, there is so many mistakes in the preservation, then we can call this as imperfect preservation. Imperfect preparation: if you are not preparing it in given prescribed manner, if you are not following its pattern, it is called as the imperfect preparation. These imperfect preparation contains the impurities like exist in the crude drug, which is already exist in the crude drug, and those which arise by byproduct during the process of the preparation. These are the imperfect the preparation. And last one is adulteration. It is the intentional and the fraudulent admixture of the foreign substance with the ड्रग्स. ठीक है, सिंपल चीज़ है इम्परफेक्ट सिलेक्शन. अगर आप प्रॉपरली मेडिसिन सिलेक्ट नहीं करते हो, कोई भी जो ड्रग सब्सटेंस आप ले रहे हो, अगर आपको वो स्पेसिमन उसका नहीं मिल रहा है, तो आप उसका ही कोई दूसरा स्पीसीज़ लोगे या उसके जैसा कोई दूसरा प्लांट लोगे, तो उसे हम कहते हैं इम्परफेक्ट सिलेक्शन. नाउ इम्परफेक्ट प्रिजर्वेशन, आप सब स्टूडेंट्स को पता है कि हर ड्रग पार्ट को प्रिजर्व करने का अलग टेक्निक होता है. आप अगर उसके प्रॉपर टेक्निक फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो, उसको प्रॉपरली प्रिजर्व नहीं कर रहे हो, तो फिर वहाँ पर जो है आपसे गलती हो सकती है. थर्ड वन है इम्परफेक्ट प्रिपरेशन. अभी प्रिपरेशन इम्परफेक्ट कब होता है, जब आप जो ड्रग सब्सटेंस ले रहे हो तो उस ड्रग सब्सटेंस में जो है कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है कि जो क्रूड ड्रग आपने लिया है उसमें कोई मिलावट हो सकती है, या फिर आप जो प्रोसेस फॉलो कर रहे हैं वो गलत हो सकती है। तो ये सब चीज़ें आ जाती है इम्परफेक्ट प्रिपरेशन में। और लास्ट वन होता है अडल्टरेशन। सो अडल्टरेशन का मतलब रहता है कि आप कोई फॉरेन, मतलब जो क्रूड ड्रग ले रहे हैं उसमें कोई फॉरेन सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट है, कुछ तो भी उसके अंदर मिलावट है। ओके, सो दीज फोर आर दी मेन इम्प्यूरिटीज ऑफ द ड्रग। Okay, imperfect selection, imperfect preservation, imperfect preparation and adulteration. Now next is the crude drug and the difference between crude drug and low potency. By crude drug are mean the commercial form of the drug taken from the vegetable, animal, mineral kingdoms as are brought to the market and utilized for the purpose of preparing medicine. Here again I want to give you the example of aloe vera. While you are collecting the aloe vera to prepare the medicine, so that aloe vera is called as the crude drug. Okay, then you cut it in the pieces, you extract the juice and you prepare the potencies and you are preparing the medicine from that crude drug. So crude drug is the juice of aloe vera or the mother tincture of the aloe vera. Okay, this is called as the crude drug. In crude form, drug molecules are packed tightly so they are unable to exhibit all their potentials. Whether in triturations and low potency, the drug molecules are free and they can exhibit their all potential or properties. The crude vegetable drugs are of two types, like organized drug and the natural exudation. हे स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर मैं आप लोगों को एक सिंपल चीज़ बताना चाहूँगी। जो क्रूड ड्रग सब्सटेंस होते हैं उसमें मॉलिक्यूल पैक होते हैं, ठीक है। तो जिसमें जो है जो पावर है वो हिडन हो जाती है, ठीक है। जो उसकी ड्रग पावर है वो छुप जाती है। ओके, इट इज़ द हिडन, इट इज़ पैक्ड इन केस ऑफ द क्रूड ड्रग सब्सटेंस. When you potentize it, when you done the process of trituration, immersion, maceration, then this molecule get free, and then the power of the drug get released in that medicine, in that remedy. Okay, when it is packed it is hidden, and when it is free then it can release its power of action, its power to cure the patient. Okay, so in case of the crude drug substances, the crude drug substances, it is packed, the molecule are packed. Okay, so that's why they are not so much effective. Okay, but in case of the low potencies, the molecules are free. Okay, their power of action is absolutely free, and they are easily, it means in the low dose also they can easily gives the effect to the patient, the desire. You can see the desired effect on your patient if you are prescribing in the low potency other than the crude drug. This is the simple difference between the crude drug and the low potency. Okay, try to imagine in your exam this. Okay, in the crude drug it is packed. Okay, in case of the low potencies, when you prepare the low potency, because of that process of potentization, these molecules are free. Okay, their power is completely mixed, by completely immersed. Okay, so the low potencies can give you the desired effect surely. This is the basic difference between the crude drug and the low potencies. About medicine. When a drug has potentized homeopathically and proved on healthy human being in both semester, all ages and different constitution is called medicine. Actually both sexes, it is यहाँ पर जो है एक प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है, both sexes. Okay, this is a printing mistake. It is both sexes, all ages and different constitution is called as the medicine. This is the exact definition of the medicine. Now what is the genuine medicine? The medicine which has been prepared pharmaceutically under the guidance of qualified and honest pharmacists by obeying the rules and regulation of homeopathic pharmacopoeia. It's supposed to possess all active properties of the drug substance from which it has been prepared and potentized, is quite capable of curing dynamic disease. This is the exact definition of genuine medicine. Try to remember it as it is. Okay, so the definition of medicine and the definition of the genuine medicine. Then remedy. What is remedy? A drug become a remedy when it satisfies the law of similars. Means when you are prescribing the medicine to a specific person as a remedy. Okay, about aphorism number 3 contains the information regarding relating the remedy. Now the types of remedy, you all know about the short acting remedy, deep acting remedy, polycrest remedy. You all know the definition of these all three types of the remedy. Now about the remedy relationship. The remedy relationship is, first one is the complementary. The word complementary means the complement means that one drug which completes the cure that has been begun by the former, but the former drug was unable to terminate in cure. You are prescribing the first medicine. That medicine gives some relief to the patient, but that medicine remedy is not able to cure the patient. In that case, you have to prescribe a second remedy which is complementary to the first prescription, and that is called as the complementary relationship. Next one is antidotal. We all know antidotal. Antidotal effect means a substance thing that contracts something unpleasant, or a substance that opposes the effect of the remedy is called as the antidote. Means you are prescribing a medicine and that medicine is not at all working, then you have to antidote the first prescription, and then you start with the next better remedy. Okay, so you are prescribing any remedy and that remedy was absolutely wrong, the patient is suffering other than cure, then you have to antidote that first remedy. Okay, you have to remove the effect of that first remedy. It is called as the antidotal effect. Then third one is inimical. Inimical, there are drugs which are in relation of enmity amongst them. They are inimical to each other. They look like they look similar. Sometimes they are belonging from the same family, but still they do not follow each other. They are not they not show the relationship like complementary also. So they are inimical. They are exactly opposite to each other. The next one is concordant relationship. The drug whose action are similar but are dissimilar origin to another are said to be concordant, and they follow each other very well. This is called as a concordant. They are dissimilar but still they shows the same effect. Okay, they are giving you same effect though they are different in the nature. It is called as the concordant. And the last one is the family. The family relationship, the relationship existing between drug whose origin is similar, we can call this as a family. The family relationship. So many drugs are belonging to the same family. Sometimes they follow each other, sometimes they don't follow each other. Okay, so here we end with this topic. I am again repeating you about the last is the remedy. Okay, the remedy when it satisfies the law of similar. When you prescribe medicine to a particular patient, to a particular simillimum, then we call this we call that medicine as a remedy. Okay, it is given in aphorism number 3. the types of remedy, short acting remedy, deep acting remedy, and polycrest remedy, and the remedy relationship, the complementary relationship, the antidotal relationship, the inimical relationship, the concordant relationship, and about the family. Okay, this is all about this topic. I hope you all like this video. Thank you very much.